Hey guys, we got one more question right on here. We have to draw the following values of a three-phase 4 type 200 kV 30 kV by 400 volt transformer drawing, that is front elevation full in section and plan elevation plan in full section. Okay, the dimensions are given as below. Here are the dimensions. First we'll go with the coils. We will draw the coils first because if we draw the plan in full section, then it is very easy to draw the other things like front elevation. Okay, so outer diameter of a LV coil is 147 point, 100 and sorry 14.7 centimeter. Actually, we will convert this into the mm, so it will become 147 mm. So just simply open the AutoCAD, and here it was mentioned like a diameter, so we'll press down and select the diameter. 147 is the diameter we have drawn. So this is the outer diameter, inner diameter will be 130 centimeter, 130 mm. So simply press enter and 130. Before that we have to select the diameter and make it 130 and press enter. This is a LV winding. Now there are two HV windings in this transformer, that is 200 kV transformer. So 33 kilovolt to 400 volt transformer. So HV winding outer diameter first coil is 19 centimeter and 17 centimeters. So 190 and 170. We have to draw two circles. 190 of diameter, 190, and one more we'll draw 170, that is two diameter 170. Okay, this is second coil HV1. Now outer diameter of HV coil 1 and HV coil 2. So 240 mm and 210 mm. Simply take it diameter 240 and 210. Okay, here if you check, before that what we'll do, we'll assign the hatchings here. Okay, simply we'll take the hatching and select the pattern and enter the pattern over here. But if this pattern is dense, if you see here it is properly inserted, but it is highly dense, so I'll take it to 30. I'll make it 30 or 20. I'll take, and next hatching point, just close this editor, and next hatching editor, single line I'll take here, and next point will be solid. Will take, it doesn't mean that if we take this double line, single line, you have to take like this only, just to differentiate each coils are different, so we are taking like this. Next point is to uh, have the core. Okay, core we have to draw like from the center point. I'll take 140 and at an angle 30 degree. Okay, here also we'll take this 20. So here it becomes 90. 180 minus 30 is 150. 180 plus 30 is 210. So 140 at an angle 210. So now why it looks like this? Like we have to check every time that how it is tracking. So it is tracking from like this here to here. So it is 180 in the sense 180. So you can check here from where it is tracking again. So from top, from bottom. Now if it is tracking from, you can see there 160, 150. So simply 90, 180 minus 30, that is 150. At 140, I'll take tab 150. Here we got the diagonal line, one diagonal line over here. Simply we have to draw one rectangle. Okay, like this we have to draw one rectangle. Once if we draw, you can remove this. Remove these reference lines. Now in simple way, I'll copy this point and click and I'll place again here. Now it is not okay placed here. Now we got two rectangles, but what I'll do, one of the rectangle I'll select. If you select like this, both will be selected. So I have to click on this and select rotate option, and here I will get the center point. I'll rotate it at 90 degree. Okay, this is done. Now simply the distance between two adjacent core center is 26 centimeter. That is, we can take it as a 260 mm. 260 at an angle 0 degree. So now the thing is that just you have to copy this and place it over here. Again, copy and place it over here. This is all set. Now we have to draw some vertical lines to draw the front elevation sectional view. So directly I'll draw one line over here. We can turn on the ortho mode. Here we have drawn one line. Now in a simple way we can copy this from here to this quadrant. It is better to turn on the quadrant that so that we'll get the exact midpoints over here. Now I'll mirror this, take the center point, mirror it. Done. Now simply copy this from the center point, place over here, again place here. Now it's time to draw the front elevation. So simply I'll take one reference line. Here you can see the perpendicular is enabled. So from there, it is given that yoke height is 10 centimeter. Okay, height of yoke is 10 centimeter after the coil. So I'll take it as 10, that is 100 at an angle 90 degree. So again, draw on perpendicular line and join this. Why I'm joining? Because after this trimming from here to here, these lines I have to delete. So if I delete this, what happens? You can see here these lines are vanished. So to avoid that, I have already drawn this line, and from here again, what we have to do from this to this coil length is height of the HV winding, because every winding height will be same. So 42.5 centimeter it is. what will take 42.5 is a 425 we have to draw. Okay, 425 is the thing. Now simply take this line, complete this again. Now one more thing we can do, we'll directly copy this part like from here to here. From this line I'll put click and enter here. Now it is very easily we can trim this point from here to here. It is done now. So simply take this trim and eliminate all those lines. So it is all done. Now here we can delete these lines also which are not required. Now you can see already I have drawn this line because I deleted the reference lines, so already I have drawn the line since it will remain. Now the thing is that there is a distance gap is not given, so blindly we will consider that 10 is 1 centimeter will take, and again draw this perpendicular line. Simply one more line we have to draw from this to this. Okay, 10 will draw, again draw perpendicular line. It is all set. Now this is center thing is air core, so the unwanted lines we have to remove these lines. So this reference line is vanished, so I'll draw one more line over here. No issue. We have some points for the reference. So simply remove the unwanted things. Here we go. It is finalized now. Now as we have taken already for the outer one, this double lined hatching. Here if we check from front elevation, if we see, if we cut this into half portion and check it from the front, we will see the view like this only. So simply uh, take the hatching same which we have taken over there. Like this. It is all set. Finally, the solid we have to enter. One point is missing over here for the single line. So hatching we have to take the single line and draw here. It is all set now. Now we have to take this point from here to here, and again we have this point are taken to get the midpoint of this. So I'll take this perpendicular line. Okay, now we have to draw one hexagonal. So 6 corners I entered here. Enter the number of sides, like 6 sides I need. So select the midpoint of this again. From here you take in and draw here. And one more point, like uh, for this hexagon, we have to take some reference line, that is dotted lines we have to take. Like I'll trim the unwanted lines. So we'll copy this. I'll pick it from the center and again place it at the center. Now simply I will select one line and rotate it, take the midpoint at 90 degree. Now simply we have to take the dotted lines. How, if it is not visible, then go to others and go to load, and here all the dotted lines and everything have been given. So you can select the suitable one, that is dashed line. So we'll select this and change its property now. Now simply we have to copy this from here. Okay, again we have to paste it here, same location for the next coils. It is all set. Now final touch up is that select all these points and mirror it. Okay, I have to take the center point here. So this is the center point, midpoint we can call it. So now it's done. Okay. So one more part is remaining for this is what here we have to join these core. Or else we can draw on single line also, it is okay. Okay, it is all set now. So simply we have to mention the dimensions, and here one nut we have to draw. For that purpose, I'll take one rectangle, draw this rectangle. Okay, two more are like this. Now we'll copy this from here, here. Now to avoid the complications, what we'll do, we'll take a 2-point radius and select from here to here. We'll get the radius. Okay, now unwanted lines I will trim. Now these lines we have drawn, so we are getting the center point very easily. So I'll pick it from here, pick from the midpoint to the midpoint only, we'll enter. So now the thing is that we have to copy this and pick it from the center and paste it in between the center. This is all set. Simply we have to mirror these two. Okay, this is the center point. So this center point should be here actually. Now I will select mirror and take the center point and add it. Okay, it is all set now. Now simply we have to take the dimension. Here linear dimension, radius, diameter, everything is present. So this coil, now you can see here it is its legends are and layers are showing very small. So what we have to do, select this completely entire one and take a scale and here select the midpoint or understanding point like we will take a 20. So in diameter also we can check here whatever things are there. Go to annotation. This diameter I was taking. So manage dimensions. So we can take the new one or we'll modify it. We will modify it. Here text size is 0.1 it is given. So I'll take it as 15 and symbols and arrows. Here it is given arrow size. That also I will take 15. Okay. Now simply click OK. Close. Now if we take the reference over here like a diameter 240 is correct. Next is what 210. This line you can see here it is showing it 190. So now third coil dimension we have to write. Press enter again. Okay, this is done now. Now linear dimensions we will take from here. Ready? Now these dimensions we will take. This is 100. From here to here is 10. Gap is given. So again height of the yoke from this point onwards you take and select this point and check 425. In total dimension there is width. Okay, this is all set now. Now we have to enter the legends. Legends in the sense labels like which file has got what labeling or naming. So I'll just copy this, leave it, copy this, leave it, copy this, leave it. Next is what? Go to hatching, select double line, select So another one is solid conduit plus enter, photo hatch, solid before this. Okay. Uh, Now this 240 and 210 is what? 240 and 210 is, okay, HV2 coil. So in text also one trick is there, like if I take this trick, means draw something like HV2 coil, HV2 coil. So now I can observe here this is looking very small. So I'll take this and pick up the point and mention 5. Okay. Now simply copy this. So next is what? 147 and 130 is given here. That is 147 and 130. That is LV coil. And next is what? 17 and 24. So here it is given that HV coil 1 19 centimeter and 17 centimeter, 19 centimeter and 17 centimeter. So if we check here, 19 centimeter and 170 centimeter is the solid line. Is a solid line in the sense we have to change this nomenclature. Like for solid, what it is given? Okay, 47, 130, 47. So here is the thing, like 147, 130 is what? 147, and it is the LV coil 1. So this is a LV coil 1 actually. LV coil. The next dotted line, dashed line is what? 190, 170 is HV coil, HV1 coil, na? 190 is 170. So this is solid is what? HV1 coil 1. HV one coil. Okay, now this is 147 and 130. 147 and 130. So this is LV coil. So single dashed is LV coil. Single dashed is LV coil. Simply this one we have to move to the center point. This we can call it as a legends. Like the labelings have been mentioned will be here. It will be mentioned here. So this is air duct. Air duct. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video and hope this is very useful for you. It is in syllabus too. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload next video, you will be getting the notification. Thank you.